Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Casting Chasz. But I was fishing yesterday, and a hailstorm came out of nowhere, man. Like, just a crazy hailstorm just came. I was caught in it for about 10 minutes. Ended up going home. I come outside this morning, and I think yesterday was 72. It's 50 degrees now. So, if you're from Texas, you know what that's like, man. It's just, we wake up praying for good weather because you never know what it's going to be like in North Texas. But it's 50 degrees. I've been waiting to fish all spring. I think I only went out once. And I'm at this pretty juicy spot. This might look familiar. Yesterday I came over here, man, after that storm, and this water was rushing crazy. It was like Niagara Falls over here. I might be over-exaggerating a little bit, but the water was rushing crazy. But I'm going to get at it. I'm going to hook y'all up on the GoPro. Got a few nice little setups going on here.
I'll be back when I got it. You shouldn't be so biased.
I'm gonna go ahead, switch it up. I think I'm going to try the jig. Got the Okeechobee crack and crawl. Nice little jig.
The Richie was worse to make just sit back and recollect what he just heard.
Googan Bait, Alabama crawl, crack and crawl. Let's look at this. Get a good look at that.
Funny how we so preposterous, neglect to blame. Shows the boycott at the Oscars. The cycle just go back and forth like sport.
Nature, man, ain't nothing like it. It's just beautiful out here. Ducks flying over. I'm telling you, man, if I didn't have bills to pay, I would live outside. I'm telling y'all, I would really be like Tarzan out here. I'd be a wild man, for real.
Me will be better. You'll be alright.
Oh, got him. Not the biggest, probably about a pound and a half, 2 pounds. Just that feeling, man. That feeling when you get that bass, it's like a stress reliever, honestly. I'm gonna go ahead and release this one. You definitely don't want to release bass where you caught it at because you don't want to spook the other fish. Once again, these are the Googan Bait crack and crawl, the Alabama crawl color. This thing looks realistic, man. Realistic crawl colors.
Knowing that I deserve more. Is it for the love or for the dollar? My people just popping tags. I guess they gon' remain blue collar. Make that money invest. Let it grow.
Oh, you serious? Lost 2 jigs, 2 of my favorite jigs. My favorite chatterbait. Yeah, that's the life of an angler. That is the life of an angler. We'll come back out tomorrow, go back at it, and we'll make it a better day.
Currency's the only thing that
I actually didn't return to the older spot. Actually came out here to a new juicy location, man. I was driving and I saw this spot, man. I had to hit it. So I'm gonna turn around, put y'all on the GoPro. Let's get it going, man.
sell dope, avoiding tax expense. Restrictions in the system influence shit to the trap again. Money made American, but it.
Oh, guys, this is a giant.
Always kept a bundle in the box, I kept my sneakers in. Damn, broken home I was a part of. I always made a vow to never be just like my father. My mother told me don't let this money change who you are. A little fame and gold to change can never.
This is a freaking giant. Oh, oh my God, guys, I'm slipping.
But currency's the only thing that we know. We get so high just to balance out the lows. Currency's the only thing that we know.
Literally almost busted my face for this fish, guys. This thing is huge. Other way. Right over there by the tunnel, guys. See if I can get another. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Still working this corporate job, knowing that others are more. Is it for the love or for the dollar? My people just popping tags. I guess they gon' remain blue collar, make that money invest. Let it grow, get some more. Paycheck to paycheck, nah, residual. I'm learning life as I go. Currency so.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This is a freaking stud too. I am on fire. It's insane. Woo! Epic day. What an epic day, guys. 2 for 2. The freaking Googan Bait cracker crawl is putting in work, guys.
Currency's the only thing that we know.
Let's see what the Bandito bug can do. Let's see if the Bandito bug can compete with this crack and crawl. I had such a bad day fishing yesterday just to come to this new location, and these fish are smacking me in the face. Guys, I'm telling you, the life of an angler is very, very, very unpredictable. Oh my God, I just got hit again. This is another giant. This is another giant. This is back to back to back, guys. This is back to back to back, guys. This is crazy. This is insane.
My nights are fast as the day goes slow.
They love these Googan Baits. Googan Baits, I don't know what you're doing, but you gotta keep this up, man. Keep it up. This is crazy. This is the most epic day of fishing I've ever had, guys. Absolutely epic. About 1.5 pounds. Let this guy go as well. I think he's running with it. Either snagged at it or he's running with it. Let me see. Oh, he got it. He got it.
But I've been working, see, never off the mud, but in the mud is where I plant the seed. I'm watering, I'm trying to see it grow. Looking in the mirror, man, I'm trying to reap just what I sow. Crack an apple ale, contemplating if I'll ever blow. Still working this corporate job, knowing that others are more. Is it for the love or for the dollar? My people just pop.
This thing is freaking huge, guys.
Make that money invest, let it grow, get some more. Paycheck to paycheck, nah, residual. I'm learning life as I go.
See if I can get on this. There we go. And I'm surprised, guys. Like, this is like 2, 3, 4 pound fish. I just got hit again. And this Zebco is like doing work. Here we go. Ooh, where you going, buddy? Where you going, buddy?
Just to balance out the lows.
5 today, overall. Epic. Look at the belly on that thing. Googan Bait, crack and crawl. Using the Zebco 202, real. Like, if that ain't epic, man, I don't know what is. But I'll see y'all in the next segment. I'm gonna go ahead and let this thing go. I'm having so much fun. I just want to see if I can catch one more. Just one. See if I can get anything. That's what I want right there. I landed on that bank over there, and you wanted to slide right in because you don't want to make a splash, scare anything. You want to look natural, like something just, you know, crawled into the water. Oh! I thought he dropped it. Woo! It's a little smaller one. It's all good though. Telling you guys, Googan Baits.
A little fame and golden chains can never make you a star. So go far. My nights are fast as the day goes slow.
I was at the club one night. Like I said, man, a very bad day can turn into a very good day of fishing, just like that. When you come, it's just like life, man. You learn from your mistakes. You know, it's always something that you can do better. You know, you come, watch videos, you think about it, you know, and you fix your mistakes, man. I don't know what else to say. I'm speechless after an amazing day like this. Like, guys, it's like everything, like the overbuying baits, like the filming and the editing, just the time put into it, and just the love for this sport, the love for this thing of fishing, man. Like, this is what I do it for. This is what I want to make a living doing. This is what I was born to do. And man, it can't get better than this. This is living the dream. Like, if I can do this all day and make thousands to millions of dollars off of it, man, I wouldn't want to do anything else, dude. Like, this is amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. Any questions that you guys have, anything that you want to see in the next video, feel free to comment below. Let me know. Follow me on Instagram at Chasz and Chasz. I'm gonna wrap it up right here, man. Chasz and Chasz.